Mainers are finding ways to send their support to those impacted by Hurricane Helene.
At one elementary school here in Maine, the support for hurricane victims has come in the form of thousands of pennies and other coins donated to the American Red Cross. News Center Maine's Drew Peters has more on this school-wide effort.
Students at Somerset Elementary in Heartland celebrating the end of a school-wide penny fundraiser dedicated to helping those impacted by Hurricane Helene.
We were both pretty moved by the footage that was coming out of the Asheville area, and we knew that there was really not a lot we could do from up here, so we decided the best course of action was to raise some money.
After Somerset teachers Allie Hessen and Denise Bates announced their idea to students earlier this month, they immediately showed interest and wanted to learn more.
We happened to be studying extreme weather, so we were able to look at images and footage, and they were also emotionally impacted by it.
In the following days, they say kids spent their free time searching everywhere for pennies to see which class could raise the most money.
They would took everything that they could find, and they were asking relatives, so.
Cleaning out their couches, cleaning out their parents' cars.
To further motivate students, the teachers say they created a rule where bringing silver coins would hurt a classroom's total. Something that third grader Atticus Kerr and his brother Finn took advantage of to sabotage other classes while still adding to the total.
He liked putting silver coins in other people's bins.
In just 4 days, students were able to raise over $1,300 for the American Red Cross.
This is enormous. I want folks to understand these kids put their heart and their soul into this gift.
Funds that Executive Director Caroline King says will be invaluable to hurricane relief efforts.
To support shelters, to support feeding, to support blankets, to make sure that the families have the immediate resources that they need.
As well as be a reminder that even a small community can make a difference.
Everything, every little bit matters.
The American Red Cross for Northern and Eastern Maine say they'll also be visiting Herman Middle School to talk about a fundraiser they're doing for hurricane relief. In Heartland, Drew Peters, News Center, Maine.